mommy making more out without a dream in my heart. That was a fire lying to me the seagulls. No, just what I said. You heard me saying a prayer. I really could care for. That's so. I really want my arms forever hold. Hearts on whisper, gilminzok. But when I looked, seagulls turned into a huge pile of mud. Oh, lightning seagulls! Now I'm no longer alone. I got a dream in my heart about a huge pile of mud on my own. Better shape up, because I need a hairbrush. And instead, I got a huge pile of mud. Better shape up, you better understand. To my heart, I'm and this huge pile of mud and me falling. Go together like rats and rat traps, like rat traps and rats, network together. As dirty, confusing. Tell me more. Is it nearly lunchtime? Tell me more. Is this huge pile of mud a joke? Tell me more. Where is my beep hairbrush? Making more videos ripped at the seams, but oh, those making more videos nights.